I gotta shovel it, everybody. Oh, honey, I know it's scary. My sorries. Can you give me a couple seconds? How about while I do this, you guys drink some water, huh? Let's drink some water. Hello, everybody. I gotta find them. Okay, I gotta find them. Yeah. Let's get you dry. Yeah? What to do. I'm too puffed up to go fucking under it. But they're all stuck there. And they have all that snow to get through. Oh, I don't want to walk it. Oh, I don't want to walk it. Oh, my Lord. It is up to my fucking knees. These poor, poor cats. Hi, babies. All right, babes. All right. Whew. I get it. I gotta get close, so let's not freak out on me. All right. What is that? We all got a walkway. Yeah? Go eat. Go eat. Much better, huh?